Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl Hunchovb. Look, my birthday celebrating is officially over. I've been celebrating the entire month of June. This is the first day of July, so now it is over. I had fun though. I have a subby request for swordfish, so we're going to do swordfish in the air fryer. So come on, let's go in the kitchen and see how that's done. Okay, this is what you will need. Piece of swordfish. I understand swordfish is a very meaty fish. I just have one piece. You can have as many pieces as you want, but to try this, I'm just going to have one piece. Some butter. I'm using the French onion butter, but you can use any type of butter that you want. Some lemon pepper. And some garlic powder. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've already taken out some butter. I'm going to season the fish with lemon pepper. And you really want to coat the fish with the seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic powder. Seems like everything goes better with garlic. And I'm going to top this fish off with the butter. Kind of press it down. Because I'm putting this in the air fryer. And we don't want that butter flying around. We want it to kind of baste over the fish. Okay, let's get this in the air fryer basket. Okay, so you see I have the fish in the air fryer basket, so let's go ahead and set the time. Okay, I'm going to set the timer. I'm going to set the temperature for 400, and I'm going to do 8 minutes, but I'm going to treat this like a piece of salmon. I really don't know how much time, so we're going to have to test it. Anyway, come back in 4. So this is what the swordfish looks like. I took it out. Actually, I only left it in there for 6 minutes instead of 8 minutes. So let's give it a taste test. I'm going to squirt some lime juice over the swordfish. And let's give it a taste test. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's good. Meaty and done. That's the main thing. I just want to make sure it was done. Let's try it again. That's good. So there you have it. Swordfish in the air fryer. Wasn't sure. I really didn't know if I was going to like it. But it's not dry. And it's something I would buy again. Sure is. So why don't you give this a try? Yes, that swordfish was moist and very tasty. If you time your cooking like you do your salmon, I think you'll be okay. Yes, that swordfish was moist and very tasty. So why don't you all give that swordfish a try and let me know how you like it. Yeah, I'd like to try a piece of swordfish on the grill. I bet that's good. Anyway, guys, until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace. Stay cool. Be blessed. See you in a few.